Hello students, welcome to another new class. Our today's topic is the yellow butterfly. This is from unit 5 and this is a complete worksheet related to your online exam. So let's start. First question, what was the color of the butterfly? Student, you know that according to our chapters, the color of the butterfly was yellow. So option A is correct answer. Okay. Then question 2, choose the correct spelling. Sonu wanted to catch the dash butterfly. So what is the spelling of butterfly? It is written here already, BUTTERFLY. So our correct option is option B. Okay. Then pick the adjective from the sentence. The butterfly sat on a red rose. The butterfly sat on red rose. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is red, because here is adjective is red. Okay, so option C is correct answer. Okay, then question 4, Sonu catch the yellow butterfly. Choose the correct word to replace the underlined wrong word. Okay, here is written cast. We need to replace it because it is wrong word. So the correct answer is caught. Correct answer is caught. CAUGHT. Option B is correct answer. So what will be sentence? Sonu caught the yellow butterfly. Okay. Then question 5. There were many dash flowers in the garden. Fill in suitable describing word. We need to fill up this question 5 with what is the correct answer? Option is beautiful. So there were many beautiful flowers in the garden. Option C is correct answer. Student, this types of question is very important for your difference online exam, because now a time MCQ, worksheet and oral basis exam will be done. So practice very carefully. And if you are new in this channel, at first subscribe the channel so you can get all the class up to date time. Okay. Then question number 6. The spider lives in a dash, wave, den or stable. We know that the spider lives in a wave. Option B is correct answer. Okay. Then question number 7. Sonu felt sorry when he saw butterfly caught in spider's web. It means Sonu was sad, happy or delighted. Okay, it means Sonu was sad because butterfly caught in spider web. So option B is correct answer. Okay, then question number 8. The plural form of butterfly is. We know that butterfly is a singular word. When it will be plural, the Y will be omit from last, and option B is correct answer. BUTTERFLIES. Okay. Then question 9. The yellow butterfly sat on the red rose. Butterfly and rose are the example of. Here is two word, butterfly and rose. It is the exact example of adjectives, pronoun or noun. Student, it is name, so it is the example of noun. Okay, then question 10. The butterfly was caught in dash wave. We know that according to our chapter, the butterfly was caught in spider's net. But how can we write spider? Question is about this. Option A is correct answer. When you need to write spider then apostrophe then S. Okay. Then question, what about 11? Make one word from the given two words. Everywhere. It is very easy. Option B is correct answer, because we need to add these two words with one word. So option B is correct answer. Like that playground, then butterfly, butter and fly. Okay, it is two meaningful word. Then question 12. choose the verb from the given sentence. It sat on a red rose. The verb is sat. Option B is correct answer. Then question 13, choose a similar meaning of lovely from the given sentence. Here is the spelling from wrong, A-R-O-M. Then the butterfly sat on a pretty flower. The butterfly sat on pretty flower. We need to find out the similar word, that means it is lovely means pretty. So option A is correct answer. It is synonyms. Okay, question 14, choose a correct pair of opposite word. Here is written slow, fast, pink, flower, flew, jump. Option A is correct answer because it is only correct slow, fast, opposite, but this two option is wrong. Okay, then question 15, a yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. Above mentioned sentence is true or false? Student, we know that it is true because a yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. It is according to our chapter, it is true. Then odd on out. Odd means what is the difference from another? Butterfly, rose, lotus. Student, rose and lotus is flower, but butterfly is insect. So it is our answer. It is different from another two option. Then question 17, choose correct rhyming word for the word round. We know that rhyming word is very important for our exam, and here is correct option is sound because we know that it is same type of word. Then question 18, choose the opposite of the given sentence. I can catch you. I can catch you. We need to write the opposite for this sentence. So I cannot catch you. This is our correct answer. Then question 19, choose the missing letter from the given word. Here is written M-I-D-D then dash E. This spelling is middle, so our correct answer is L because when you write here is L, it is M-I-D-D-L-E, make. Then our last question, question number 20, the identity the picture. We need to identify this picture. Student, we can very easily identify this is pond. This is pond. So student, this all 20 question from our chapters, the yellow butterfly. I hope it is very helpful for your study. So practice very carefully and we will meet our next class. Thank you all of you.